grade 5 and 6, and welcome back to the sofa. All right, today I want us to go back to the song that we spent most of our time on last week, our Hey Ho, Nobody Home. All right, I want us to see if we can figure out the rhythm in the song. Each phrase is only 4 beats long. Double check it. Let's do it together. Let's count the number of beats in our first phrase. Hey ho, nobody home. 4 beats long. So let's think about that very first phrase and work backwards. Listen for what we sing on the very last beat. Are you ready? Hey ho, nobody home. I'll do it one more time. Hey ho, nobody home. Home. What do we sing on the last beat? Home, just one sound. Okay, let's see what we sing. Let's listen to what we sing on the third beat. Ready? Hey ho, nobody. We don't need to sing home. We already did that one, right? Hey ho, nobody. Nobody. Count it. Nobody. Nobody. How many sounds? 3. Good job. Okay, let's listen for the second beat now. Hey ho. Hey ho. Can we do the first and second beat together? I think we can. Ready? Hey ho. They each have 1 sound. So when there's 1 sound on a beat, that's a ta. That's a quarter note. So I'm going to add our little note heads to turn them into quarter notes. Fantastic. So now, this third beat here has 3 sounds that we're singing on it. 3 all together on the same beat. So we have a couple of options, right? If there's 3 sounds like this could be a ti-tika, or it might be a tika-ti. A ti-tika has the 16th notes on the second part. So it's slow, quick, quick, right? A tika-ti has the 16th notes at the beginning. So it's quick, quick, slow, right? So let's try both of these. Let's sing our rhythm and try it with both of these to figure out which one it is. We're gonna go ta, ta, one of these and then ta. So let's do ti-tika. Ready? And ta, ta, ti-tika, ta. Does that sound the same as hey ho, nobody home? Does it match? I think it matches too, but just to double check, let's try it with a tika-ti. Tika-ti, ready? Ta, ta, tika-ti, ta, nobody home. Does that one match? No, we were right. It's gonna be a ti-tika. So remember, a ti-tika is an 8th note, 2 16th notes. Let's see if we can sing this as its rhythm. Ready, sing. Ta, ta, ti-tika, ta. Good job. All right, let's see if we remember the words to our Black Socks song that we learned last week. Are we ready? It starts here. Black, ready, and black socks. They never get dirty. The longer you wear them, the blacker they get. Sometimes I think I should wash them, but something keeps telling me, no, no, not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet. All right, here's your challenge. I want you to find a ball. It doesn't have to be any particular kind of ball as long as it bounces on the ground. So pause the video, go get a ball that will bounce, come back to the video. Go. Did you pause it? I'm waiting for you to pause it. Did you pause it? Okay, so now you are going to bounce this ball to the beat of the song. I want you to try it once first without me even showing you, and then I'll do it the second time and see if you got the same beat. See if you got the same speed and the same tempo with your bouncing. Ready? We're gonna start here, and it's gonna start with hitting the ground with your ball. Ready, and black socks, they never get dirty. The longer you wear them, the blacker they get. Sometimes I think I should wash them, but something keeps telling me, no, no, not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet. How'd you do? Try it again this time. I will bounce with you. My bounces aren't that high because of my carpet, but I will do my best. See if we match. See if you got the same tempo as me and the same way that I'm bouncing it. Ready? Ready, we starting here, and black socks, they never get dirty. Good job. Okay, so we have the beat of the song. It comes from two places. It comes from when the ball hits the ground, and it also comes from when the ball gets caught. So between hitting the ground and the getting caught, which of those is the stronger beat? Which is stronger, ground or catch? Try it just a few more times at the beginning. Red and black socks, they never get dirty. The longer you wear them, the blacker they get. Which one was stronger? The stronger beat is when our ball hits the ground. When we catch it, it's still a beat, but it's a weaker beat. So when the ball hits the ground, we call that an accent. Can you say accent? Accent. So it's an accented beat when the ball hits the ground. So if we were to put this on our laps instead of in the ball, it would look like this. It would be strong, weak, strong, weak. Can you copy and do this with me? Ready and black socks, they never get dirty. The longer you wear them, the blacker they get. Sometimes I think I should wash them, but something keeps telling me no, no, not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet. Make sense? So here's what you need to keep in mind. If we know that we have an accented beat at the beginning, when we sing, this beat should not be stronger than this beat. So when we sing sometimes, it shouldn't go sometimes. Because do we speak like that either? Do we say sometimes? No, we say sometimes. Sometimes. The first part of the word is stronger than the second part of the word. Sometimes. So now, here's your challenge this week. You can either do this by yourself, or if you have a sibling in your house, it would be easier to do this with a sibling where you're actually passing the ball back and forth. So each catch is a different person, right? So it would go bounce me, bounce my brother, bounce me, bounce my brother, right? Passing it not like right here in front of you, but back and forth between the two of you. And your challenge is to change the number of times you sing not yet at the end of the song. No, no, not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet. Could you do more? No, no, not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet. Could you end on 6? Could you do less? Could you do 4? Not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet. Right? Change the number of times you say not yet and see if you can figure out how many times you need it so that the ball lands on you, and see if you can figure out how many times you need it so the ball lands on your sibling. Now the other question is there a number of times that has the last not yet landing when the ball hits the ground instead of someone catching it? So if you're doing this by yourself, if you don't have a sibling or someone to do this with, that's what you can figure out. How many times do we need to sing not yet so that the last one is actually the ground and not the catch? All right, now in music, sometimes we have songs that we call stepping songs, and sometimes we have songs that we call skipping songs. And they are kind of what they sound like. Stepping songs are songs that match the beat if we were walking, right? Step, 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 and even beat, walk, 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 and step, 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 step. Those are stepping songs. If you think about skipping, if you're skipping down the hallway, is skipping even like stepping? No, it's not. You always land heavy on one foot and then you do a little hop to get to the other foot, right? Skip, hop, skip, hop, skip, hop, skip. The hop is shorter, it's quicker. Do you see the difference? Now, if we were in class, I would have you actually step around the room and skip around the room. So if you would like to do that, if you have some space and you want to try stepping and skipping, please do that. If you don't have too much space, you can do what I'm gonna do and just pretend your feet are on your lap. And this is your stepping and this is your skipping. Okay? All right, so let's compare black socks and hey ho, nobody home and see which one is stepping and which one is skipping. Let's start with black socks because we were just singing that one. Black socks, they never get dirty. If this is our speed, then that is our tempo. That's about how fast we're going. Can we put that speed, that tempo, in our stepping beat? Ready? Step, 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 step. Black socks, they never get dirty. The longer you wear them, the blacker they get. Sometimes I think I should wash them, but something keeps telling me no, no, not yet. So, the stepping beat, that fit pretty nice with that song, didn't it? Yeah, but just to be sure, let's try our skipping beat as well. So our skipping beat at that tempo, at that speed would go step, hop, step, hop, step, hop, step, hop. Keep that going, here we go. Black socks, they never get dirty. The longer you wear them, the blacker they get. Sometimes I think I should wash them, but something keeps telling me no, no, not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet. What did you notice? Did that one feel really comfortable? Yeah, it did. So I'm gonna say that black socks, that's a skipping song. All right, now let's try hey ho, same thing. So if this is our song, hey ho, nobody home, that's the tempo, that's the speed, find the step on your lap, hey ho, nobody home. How does the stepping feel? The stepping feels really good, but just to make sure, just like last time, let's try the skipping. So at that speed, our skipping would be step, hop, step, hop, step, hop, step, hop. Hey ho, nobody home, meat nor drink nor money have I done. Does that one feel as comfortable as it did with black socks? Not quite, does it? I feel way more comfortable with just the step, right? Nice and solid, nice and even. So I would say that hey ho is a stepping song. So just to show you, let's compare. Ready? Here's hey ho. Hey ho, nobody home. And now black socks, ready? Skipping, 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 skipping. Black socks, they never get dirty. The longer you wear them, the blacker they get. Do you see the difference? All right, awesome learning and singing today. I will see you soon. So let's clap out together. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3.